Hey, it's been a while since the Fabry, so I think it's been 2 months since I last used it. So, as you can see, there's not too many reasons, but there's probably more than that I could probably more fair, but it's been waiting here also. It got very ready yesterday, so I thought it would be a good time to follow up to make sure they're still good to go. So that way, when it's time for me to boil these again, it would be nice and ready now. Okay, you see how it says now? Like I said, it's been 2 months since we started, so it could take some twice to get it going. But this thing always has started way up no matter how I sit for. I give it 1 more point for good walk. Okay, wish me luck. We check see it's got gas in it. A little warm, but I think it should be okay. Actually, let me put some more gas in it just to be safe. I'll be right back. Okay, I put some more gas in it. The fuel that you see so the fuel that you see here now is true 50-watt gas oil mix. You see the true for ethanol free fuel. So okay, we see should we start. Now it's 44 degrees, so so it's a bit cold, so it might take some quaky. Now that's a way more right there. We're sitting for 2 months and she falls right off. I think it took about 6 months and it usually takes about between 2 about 4 to about it usually takes about 3 to 4, but since we're sitting on, that's why I thought it took 6. But hey, she's up and wise, so I would be sure to do up and fail this next time. So I would do a further, I would do a reboil further once we get more restyle. And this guys talk to me.